English 9, Gerunds and Infinitives. What is the gerund and what is the infinitive? A gerund is a verb in the ing form that can function as a noun. An infinitive is a verb form to plus the base form of the verb that can also function as a noun. When do we use the gerund as opposed to the infinitive? Academic writing frequently involves the use of both the gerund and the infinitive. There are three main situations that determine when we use the gerund as opposed to the infinitive. 1. After a preposition, such as before, after, since. 2. As the object of a sentence or phrase. And 3. After certain verbs. Use the gerund after a preposition. Example sentences. Before studying English, Carlitos had studied Latin. After finishing your essay, make sure you reread it several times. Since starting the course, you have learned about problem solution texts and how to paraphrase. Note that in Spanish, the infinitive is used in these situations. Use the gerund as the subject of a sentence. Example sentences. Smoking prohibited. Smoking is prohibited in the Santo Domingo building. Streamlining industrial processes and making difficult decisions is why industrial engineers earn so well. Writing a quality data commentary starts with quality research. Again, note that in Spanish, the infinitive is used in these cases. The preceding verb also determines use of the gerund or the infinitive. There are three types. Group 1, verb plus infinitive. Attempt, hope, decide, manage, expect to do something. For example, the students hope to receive a small homework assignment because they expect to devote time to their thesis projects. Group 2, verb plus gerund. Start, begin, stop, continue, finish, recommend, suggest, enjoy, consider doing something. For example, Natalia stopped being a vegetarian because she enjoys eating ajiaco so much. And group 3, verb plus infinitive or gerund. Like, love, begin, start, continue, try. For example, most Colombians like to watch the national team in the World Cup and in Copa America. Or, most Colombians like watching the national team in the World Cup and in Copa America. Another example. Maria Claudia began to study in Los Andes 4 years ago. Or, Maria Claudia began studying in Los Andes 4 years ago. Take some time to study and memorize these verbs that take the gerund or the infinitive. To the top left, you can see verbs that follow the rule verb plus infinitive. To the top right, you can see verbs that follow the rule verb plus object plus infinitive. In the bottom left corner, you can see verbs that follow the rule verb plus gerund. And in the bottom right, you can see verbs that follow the rule verb plus preposition plus gerund.